In this video, we'll talk about writing equations of lines parallel and perpendicular to a given line through a point. So, let's take a look at the line 5y minus 3x equals 9. It says to find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to this line and passing through the point 6, negative 3. Alright. Before we do anything, I don't recognize this form, right? It is not a point-slope form. It is not a slope-intercept form. So I want to try and get this into the form y equals mx plus b. So, in order to do that, let's go ahead and bring this down here. I notice that I need to get the x's onto the other side. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. And I'll get 9 plus 3x. And now I need to get y by itself. So I need to divide both sides by 5. That goes to a 1. Y equals, now watch this very carefully, 3/5 x from here, right, plus 9/5. Now why did I do that? Well, the 9 and the 3x are both being divided by 5, and I wanted m to be out in front of this x, right? So this is my m, or my slope, and this happens to be b, or my y-intercept, the y value for my y-intercept. But if my given line has a slope of m equals 3/5, what is the slope of the line that is perpendicular to this line? It is going to be the opposite. So this is positive, which means now we're going to be dealing with a negative slope. And then it's going to be the reciprocal of that. So the line that's perpendicular is y equals mx, negative 3/5 x, plus b. We don't know what b is. But that's what this point does right here. That point tells us how to find b. There are a few different ways we can find b, and I'm going to go through both ways. One way is to just plug numbers straight into here. I have the point 6, negative 3. So y is negative 3, and x is 6. And then I'm trying to find what b is. And as you can see, all I need to do is some algebra to get to solve that b. So negative 3 equals 6 times 5/3 is going to be negative 10 plus b. I did that quickly because that's going to go to 2, and negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So let's add 10 to both sides. We should get 7 equals b. And then from there, we'll plug it in. Y equals negative 5/3 x plus 7. Now, second way is to use the point-slope form. Y minus y1. What am I going to use for y1? I'm going to use this point right here. y1 is negative 3. M is negative 5/3 times x minus x1, which is 6. Now I get y plus 3 equals negative 5/3 x minus 6. I could keep it in this form. If it doesn't specify what form it needs, I could keep it in this form. However, it might specify that you need to put it in a different form. And if that happens to be the case, then you'll just do some algebra and put it in the form y equals mx plus b, for example.